Hi everyone, for today's video I just wanted to share with you the things that I do to prolong the life of my above ground pool. The poles on the above ground pool are metal. You know, when you mix metal with water, you always get rust. The rust usually happens on the place where the metal is hidden. So like this one here, this metal is inside the vinyl flaps, hardened. And if you look over here, this is actually the U-shaped footing, and you can see this is the most rust that I have. The rest is just a small rust, but this one here, since this is under the flaps, I get a lot of rust buildup right here. And what I do every year is I would scrub this with a steel brush. After that, I will spray it with a rust converter, and basically what it does is it converts the rust into a hardened metal. So you can see here right now, you see a lot of the discoloration there in metal, but this is after 3 years. But you look here, the rust is actually embedded, and it's converted into a hard substance, so it's became a metal again. Okay, and let me show you the product that I use. Okay, so these are the three products that I use, and you can see right now I have a steel brush right here. And what I do with this is I basically just scrub this and remove any loose rust, and then after that I would wipe it down and then spray it with this Rust-Oleum rust reformer. And if you look here, it says instantly convert rust to a protected paintable surface. And what it does is it actually stops the rust from eating your metal, and it converted into a hardened surface. So if you can see here, you know, I cannot just take those things out anymore. So see right now I'm just removing the new rust color, but the rust is actually embedded here already and it's hardened. Okay, and you know that protects your metal. And after that I use this Rust-Oleum 2x ultra cover primer. So once you use this, it turns this into black, and I just use this to paint it into a gray again so that it will blend with the rest of the metal. Okay, and I do that, and I also spray the inside if I could. What I do is I just flip it up like this, and then I'll take out this plastic cover, and what I do is I just spray the rust reformer inside this thing, and hopefully if there's any rust inside, it will convert those two into a hardened surface. But usually what I notice is the rust is usually just right here or right on this side right here. Okay, so if you look on my other parts, this part, you know, anything that stands up like this doesn't really build any rust, because the water basically just flows and drop to the floor, and this thing stays dry. But this one right here, this is actually part of your top frame, and you can see there is a buildup right there. Okay, so let me show you how I do it on this one, because it looks like this is the one that have a lot, and there's like a little damage there already where the snap connection is. And let me see, so it looks like there it's only basically just on that little hole, but the rest is still good right there. Okay, so what I do is I'll just grab my steel brush and basically just brush this off, seal it here. So I was able to remove the rusted part that is loose. The rest could stay. This one here as well. So I'm gonna go like this. Then I'll just go inside here. Then I'll just wipe it off. As you can see right now, I was able to remove as much. And basically this part here, I'll just spray this with the rust reformer as well as any part right here that have rust. So basically it's able to remove everything here. And basically if you just leave it like this, by next year you're gonna see this grow. But I'll be able to stop this by just spraying it with the Rust-Oleum. So basically once I spray this, rust is going to be converted into a hardened surface, and you can paint that again. Same thing with this one right here. Okay, so the paint's now dry, and now I'm gonna just coat it again with my gray paint so that it will blend to the old one. So this is the same paint that I used before, and right now it looks like it's a little lighter right here, but once it dries out, then it should blend to this color right here. Okay, so you can see right now the paint is drying out, and as it dries out, it actually now blends to the old color right there. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and if it does, please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.